So I put the new one back in, the blender actuator. I ain't put it back in, and it's giving me a little hassle to put back in, but the clicking noise went away. Before, when I used to just put the car on, just like this, you would hear that click, 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 click. Now, there's no clicking noise. No clicking noise, no nothing. But as soon as you just put the ignition on, you hear the click, click, click. So that's the part that went away. And that's from the blender actuator that I just changed. So that's this part here that I changed. The old part. I already put the new one in. You don't hear no clicking noise as you did before. So as soon as you put the ignition on, you hear click, 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 click. So I changed it. There's no more clicking noise. That's a good thing, because that clicking noise is annoying. Now it's just right now I'm just trying to put it back in its place, which, you know, it's a little hassle. But that comes with the job when you're trying to save some money. Because something like this, you go to a mechanic, they're going to charge you, of course, you know, a lot of money, because this is time consuming. All right, guys. Have a good one. Take care. All right. So you can try this at home. No, don't go buy it. What I'm doing, these are 8mm bolts, by the way, back here to take off. Like I said, this is how I did it. A lot of videos on YouTube show you how to do it if you have any of these problems. All right.